Alright guys, this is my review of McKillans automatic quick connect attachments. So here you go. Warranty card, 6-month warranty, replaceable O-rings, and then the kit itself. So this you put on your garden hose or your pressure washer. Yeah, and let me just show you a quick example. So pretty much comes with all the attachments. So the normal pressure washer, you would pull and then you would put your connect, but this you just push. That's it. You push and then you disconnect, you pull. Well, you probably didn't see that, but it's spring loaded. So push, that's done. Pull, ooh, comes out. So this has pretty much changed the game. It's a revolution that McKillans has. So push, whoa, disconnect. Life is easy.